24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of light and how it travels from chapter 5 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover light travels in a straight line, luminous and non-luminous objects. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is light? Do all objects emit light? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise properties of light. Keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what natural and artificial sources of light are. You may ask them thought-provoking questions like, do you think your life was possible if there was no sun? What could have been the alternatives? You can conduct a small discussion in the class on this hypothetical situation. Conduct an activity in the class to demonstrate to the students how light travels in straight line. Take 3 equal cards and punch a hole in the center of each. Align them in a straight line with a little distance in between them and set them with modeling clay. Darken the room and shine the light at one end of the card. Ask the students if they can see light coming out from the other end. Now, move the card at one end and shine light again at the other end. Ask the students if they can see the light from the other end. Ask them if they can explain what they just observed. Appreciate their answers. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain further how light travels in a straight line. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what luminous and non-luminous objects are. You may also collect different luminous and non-luminous objects and ask the students to sort them. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to make paths or ray diagram to show how light travels from a bulb in the center of the room, in a corner, and from a desk lamp. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.